Hey Divas, Kaden here and welcome back to Chef It Up Fridays. On the menu, I'm going to be cooking some rice and peas. So yes, I'll be using some red peas and I'll be cooking it from scratch. I won't be using the tin peas. So first I went ahead, washed my peas and then add it to the stove with a little bit of water and garlic. Once it comes to a boil, I'm gonna go ahead and sink the peas. So when I said I'm gonna sink the peas, I'm gonna go ahead and add some cold water to it, so everything is gonna drop to the bottom of the pot. So once I sink the peas, I'm gonna cover the pot and let that cook. I'm checking on the peas and it's not as cooked as I wanted to, so I went ahead, cover it and let it cook some more. So this is where I checked it and I'm satisfied. So the peas is cooked the way I like it. So now it's time to season. So when I said season the pot, I'm gonna add my my vegetables. So my scallion, thyme, coconut cream, butter and salt. No, I'm not gonna go ahead and add no sugar, powdered seasoning, all that. I'm just gonna add the basics because that's how I love to cook my rice and peas. Once I add those in the pot, then I'll let it cook, let the coconut milk cook some before adding the rice. Now it's time to add the rice to my pot. I'm gonna go ahead, my stove is on high heat. I'm gonna add the rice. Once I add the rice, I'm gonna stir it to ensure that nothing is sticking. Cover the pot, let it come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, I'm gonna go ahead, turn it to medium. Once I put it to medium, I'm gonna leave the pot, let it cook. Once there's little to no water left, I'm gonna bring the stove to low heat. When I bring it to a low heat, that's gonna finish off everything. Now that I've done all the steps, I'm going to show you how fluffy my rice is. And look at it, it's not sticking to my fork, it's just fluffy, nice, and everything is right. Here you go, guys. This is a quick and easy way to cook your rice and peas without burning it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, please don't forget to go ahead and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.